Hello kids, welcome to computer lesson number 4. So in today's lesson we will learn something about using brushes and shapes. I hope you must have watched the previous lesson number 3 in which we learned about all these tools. How to use the pencil, how to use eraser, how to pick color, how to fill color and how to insert a text box in which you can write something. Okay, so in this lesson, we will be learning about how to insert the shapes on your page and how to use the brushes in that. Okay, so let's start with the first one here. This is a line. So here you can see that as you take your mouse cursor to any shape, it will show the name of the shape. Like this one is diamond, then this one is pentagon, this one is 5-point star, this one is 6-point star. So whatever you want to make, you can choose the shape and use it on your page. But how to use these shapes, I'm going to tell you today. Okay, so let's start. First, we will pick the line. Now, I have selected the line with my mouse cursor. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a line here. When you make a line on a normal paper, for making a straight line, you need a scale, right? Without a scale, you cannot draw a straight line. But here, you do not need any scale. You just need the mouse and the drag and drop method. So what we are going to do here, suppose I want to draw a line here. My color is red. I'm going to draw a red line. I will just click the left button of the mouse and then I will hold it till I want to finish the line. So here I have to move it a little bit up or down to check if the line is straight, and as I find my line is good, now I will leave the left mouse button. Okay, so this is called drag and drop technique. Okay, and here you can see that there are two small squares at both ends of the line. This means that the line is selected, still selected. So if you want to move this line, you can just bring the cursor on the line and then the sign will be changed. See, if we are below the line, the mouse cursor's sign is like this. But as we take it to on the line, it changes to this shape. So it means that now we can move our line. For moving the line from another to another place, what we have to do, again we have to use the drag and drop technique. We will left click the mouse, hold the button, keep holding the button and move the line where you want to move it. Suppose I want to take my line here. Okay, here I will take the line and then I will drop. Drop means I will leave the button and then the line will stay here. Now, as I can move this line as long as these two small squares are there at the end of the line. But as I click on the page, these two squares are gone now. That means now we cannot move the line like this. See, now you will not see that symbol which was changing earlier, right? So you can move a line or any shape only when it is selected. And that you can get to know with the help of those small squares. Okay. So now this line cannot be moved, but I can draw another line because I have still selected this line icon. So now suppose I want to make a plus sign. So I will start from here. Again I will left click the mouse. I will hold the mouse and I will take the mouse cursor down as long as I want to increase the length of the line, and now I guess this one will be okay, so I will just drop it. Okay, now here you can see that the line is not so straight because I did not drop it at perfect straight condition. So for this you have to keep moving your mouse cursor little bit left right or maybe here up or down to make it straight, and then as you find it good you can just drop it, right? So this is the use of line. We can use it for making different designs in our drawings. Like here I have made a plus sign, so we can use this for telling directions. Like if I take the pencil from here and I take black color from here, I can write here N. N means north direction, S means south direction, E means east direction, and W means west direction. Okay, so if you are not very much trained, or if you have not practiced the writing, then your writing will come like this. So here we can see that the letters are looking not much good because it looks like that a very small child has written it. So if we want neat and clean letters, proper letters, so what we can do is first we will select the eraser and we can erase it. So if you remember, I told you 2-3 ways to erase the letters. So we are just doing the revision part here. So I have erased the W letter with the eraser. But now for erasing this N, I will be using the select option. Here I will select the complete N at once, and then I will press the delete button in my keyboard. Same I will do for E, and same I will do for the S letter. Okay. Now, if we want to write here the letters properly, we will be choosing the text box. As I told you earlier, here we just need to make a box. Then you will be seeing a cursor. So for north, I will write N here, or maybe I can write the complete word here. And as I click outside, the box will go away. You cannot see the box anymore now. And now for writing here, for writing the word east, I will have to insert the box again. And now here I can write east again, then click, go to the west side, select the box. Now I am able to select this box again and again because the text box is still selected. Okay, until unless I will unselect it, it will work. So here we will write west, and here we will make the box and write south. Okay, so this way we have made directions. Now comes curve. So you must have learned about curves in first and second classes. So here we will try to make a curve with the green color, and here I will be making a small design. Now see, I have dragged and dropped the line here, but what I see is the line looks straight. It's not like a curved line. So what I have to do to make it curve? I will just go in the middle of the line, click the left click button, and then I have to move it like this. So as far as I move, as curved the line will become. So I have to I have to choose how much I want to take it far away, how much far I want to take it. So when I am satisfied that okay, I want this much, so I'll just drop it and I will click. So when I will click on the line, or maybe outside, when I will click outside the line, you can see a box here. With this box also you can increase or decrease the curve of this line. So suppose I want to make like this, then I will just click outside the box and it will be fixed here. Okay, so this is the curved line. Now what I'm going to tell you will apply on all these shapes which you can show here. So suppose you want to make a greeting card for your mom or for your dad or for your grandparents. So here you can easily find the heart shape. Now I have selected the heart shape. Now when I will drag and drop the shape, I will be getting a very nice heart shape. Now first let's select the black color. Now I will click the left button of the mouse. I will drag the mouse cursor and now I'm going to drop it. Again you can see a box. As long as you can see this box, you can increase or decrease the size of the heart. Now see, I like to make this much big heart. So I will just click outside the heart shape and now my heart shape is ready. And as we know that only the red color suits it well, I'll just select the red color and then I will select the bucket full of color and I will fill red color in it. Looking good, isn't? Okay. Now, there is one different thing which we can do here, which we will be learning in the brushes section. So I will be telling you in a moment. So like this heart shape, you can drag and drop many shapes, many shapes as much as you want. With this, you can take prints and make gift wrappers also, and you can create many new things with your creativity. Okay, so now suppose red color is looking very good, but we want to give it a little more creative look. For giving it a more creative look, what we need to do, we can take the help of brushes here. Now, as you click on the brushes section, here you can see the brushes of different styles. Like if I select this style and I select pink color, so when I do it in the heart, you can see the different style is coming up here. I can add little more creativity, and if you see it carefully, it's looking like a spray paint. Okay, I have made a line here, but here if we just click it once, it will give a dot type shape and we can fill the heart like this. Okay, so this is a new style which we have made. Okay, so as I don't like the design much, so I'm just going to remove the design. I'll be keep on pressing the undo icon on the left topmost corner and I will remove all the design which I made. Now I want to try something else, some other brush. So I will select it and I will select, suppose, this one. Here you can see that the dot is much bigger in size than the earlier one. Now I'll try with orange color. Suppose we want to write M for mom here. So I'll try to write M here. See, it will give an effect like this. Or maybe we can make a okay. Or maybe we can do something else like making some small lines like this. Okay. So this way we can use different types of brushes for making anything creative for our schoolwork, for our parents, for making greeting cards, for making file covers, for making gift wrappers, or for writing messages. So as you know that Mother's Day is about to come, you can try to make a greeting card for your mom in this, and you can just surprise her by showing your own creation. And I hope she will surely like it. I can just give you a little idea. See, if first let's clear it. Delete. A little one much is left here. I will delete this also. Okay, so I am giving you a little idea. Rest you can use your own creativity to surprise your mom this Mother's Day. What we will do, we can make a big heart shape. Okay, then we can fill it with red color, and then we can insert a text box in this, and here we can write a message for our mom by choosing black color. And here you can first write in capital or small whatever you want, and then you can select all the words, and from here you can choose the style of your text. Like if I choose this one, it will see like this. And now I will be increasing the size from here. Now the size is 20. I'm going to increase this to 48. Okay, looking good. And now if I want the word day to come here, I just have to click on the enter button on the keyboard. Okay, so this way I will move this box a little bit to fix it in the middle of the heart. And now when I will click outside the heart, we can see the message on the heart, Happy Mother's Day. And to make it more attractive, I'll just choose the white color, and I will just choose this gray style brush here, and I will make, oops, I have to choose the color 1 for this. So I will be choosing color 1 as white, and now I can make small dots at the border of the heart. Okay, so this way you can make a card for your mom or for anyone else you want to make. If you have a printer, you can just take a printout and give it to them, and if you don't have a printer, you can just click a picture from the mobile and send it to the person. Okay, so I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any query, you can just write your questions in the comment section, and then I will be able to help you. Okay kids, that's all for today. Let's meet in the another lesson. Bye bye.